everyone, I am Naya and I hope you all are enjoying in your lockdown days. In these lockdown days, I have learned many new things from the online resources. One of the things that I have learned from the online resources is that to find the easiest method to find out the square root of a number. So let me explain you that. To find out the number, we have to learn this table from 1 to 9, the squares of the 1 to 9 and the last digit of the squares. That is, the 4th square is 16 and the last digit is 6. So you need to learn this table very well. Okay, for example, we have a question here that find the square root of number 3, 2, 4, 9. The step 1 that we are going to follow is that we are going to note down the last digit. The last digit is 9. The 9 falls here in the last digit column. Okay, so 9 is the last digit of the square of 3 and 7. Now, what we are going to do? We are going to note down the tens and the unit place the number, the square root, whichever we are going to get. Okay, so we have get a option here 3 or either it would be 7. So we are going to put it in the option only. So now to find out the tens digit, we would ignore the last two digits of the number and take the first two digits. So here the first two digit is 32. Now we have to see that where does this 32 lies between the squares. So 32 lies between the square of 5 and 6. Now among these numbers, 5 is the smallest. So we have to take the smallest number. So now here the square root that we are going to get, here the tens digit is now final. Now we have to choose one option. So to find out that option, we are going to take the 5 and multiply it with the next consecutive number, that is 6. Now when we multiply this, we get the answer as 30. Now we would compare the 32 and the 30. Now as a result, 32 is greater than 30. Whenever a number in the question is greater or equal than the product, greater or equal than the product which we have got here, then we would choose a greater number from these two options. If the product that we have got is greater than the number in the question, means that the number in the question is lesser than the product, then we would choose the smaller number then from these two options. So here as a result, we get the square root of 3249 is 5757. So hope you will all like this method and you should try another examples and you will get more accuracy to find out the square root.